I'm the AfroGirl, and welcome to MX Breaks, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off our stories with the organizers of Afrofuture Festival, formerly AfroChella, who have unveiled the headliners for this year's event. The superstars include Davido, J-Hus, and Black Sherif. This year's music concert will be a two-day event that will make its return to El Sports Stadium in Accra, Ghana on Thursday, December 28th and Friday, December 29th. To strengthen its commitment to unify the diaspora, Afrofuture's 2023 theme is Black Unification and Pan-Africanism, which honors the achievements of Black pioneers throughout the diaspora and highlights their contributions to art, culture, and innovation. Now, what a lot of people are talking about on social media is the prices, the prices of the tickets. We are talking over $200, we are talking $400, we are talking over $500. And yeah, a lot of people are a bit, skeptical about it. Will you be able to afford it? Let us know. But moving on, in an official statement shared via her Instagram handle yesterday, Tiwa Savage announced that all scheduled upcoming performances, including her highly anticipated inaugural headline event in London, have regrettably been postponed. The statement disclosed that she had been battling an illness that has persisted for several weeks. As a consequence of this necessary health-focused decision, she has cancelled all her events. And we have the statement that she put out, so let's read it. She said, to my dear Savage soldiers, I have been fighting off a virus for the past few weeks and was today firmly instructed to be on a strict vocal rest for the next few months. I will unfortunately have to postpone all performances, including my first ever headline arena show in London. I'm heartbroken and devastated, but I have to do this to save what's left of my voice. I'm so sorry. I love you all and promise to be back performing once I'm fully healed. And yes, so that is from Tiwa Savage. And it's unfortunate how your body can give up on you at the time where you need it the most. But we hope for a speedy recovery for her. Moving on to some international news, Tiger recently filed a petition against his ex, Angela White, also known as Black China, to demand full custody of their child. According to the documents, Tiger asked the court to grant China child visitation rights and requested for her designated time to be from Friday after school to Sunday evening. With regards to the holidays, the rapper asked for schedules to be set in accordance with the parties' mutual agreement. This filing comes in response to China's previous request in the court to ask for a petition to determine parental relationship and child support to be established. So yeah, that's about it. But before I go, guys, Davido has submitted Timeless for 2024 Grammys Album of the Year and Best Global Music Album of the Year. What do you think? Do you think he stands a chance? Do you think he'll be nominated? Let us know on our social media platforms. But that's about it for MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do, everything entertainment and lifestyle. We at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow on our socials at MX24GH. I'm out.